In this video, I'll show you how to filter out of stock or draft products from appearing on the results page of your product recommendation quiz, created with the RevenueHunt app. First, open your app settings and go to the Catalog tab. Here, look for the section called Low Inventory Filter. When you enable this option, Filter Products by Inventory Level, a drop-down will appear where you can set the minimum stock level. For example, if you set the minimum stock level to 0, any product that's out of stock will be automatically filtered out, so it won't appear in your quiz recommendations. If you set the minimum stock level to 1, products with only one remaining item in stock will also be excluded from the results page. Once you've chosen the desired minimum stock level, save the changes. From that point on, your quiz will no longer show products below that stock threshold. Next, you can also choose whether to include or exclude draft products. If you want draft products to appear in your recommendations, keep the Include Draft Products option checked. If you want to hide them, simply uncheck it and save the changes. From now on, any products that are either out of stock or marked as draft in Shopify will be automatically excluded from your quiz results page. And that's it. That's how you filter out unavailable products to keep your quiz recommendations accurate and up to date. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.